What's up? I'm Travis Brady. This is Beer, Business, and Brotherhood.
Events like this, it helps open the doors to opportunities or ideas that maybe you've never thought of. Paths that you maybe never thought would fit you personally, right? You're learning about people and all their jobs and their occupations. So I think that events like this help you discover what your superpower is, whether that's relationship building, whether that's analytical skills, networking, whatever that is. And if you can figure out what that superpower is, you can monetize it.
I came here to see if this was a good idea. This place has good principles under it. I can continue to keep coming. It's the same thing with that's why I like Elliot's Army stuff, right? Because he puts God first, family first. Everything else kind of falls into place when you have those things as the foundation.
If we are continuously moving and adapting and changing, we're finding new resources, we're finding new solutions to help ourselves, to help our families, to help our companies. If we're stagnant, none of those things are happening. So the momentum is extremely important. I really love that there is this brotherhood and there is this focus on men supporting men. I feel like women, it's easy for us to find our tribe and to find our girls. And for men, they have so many things they have to focus on. They have to be the strong one in the family. So it is hard for them to find their brotherhood. So I really do love that that is the backing of what is happening here.
You know, I've been to a lot of different events, and this is by far the most energizing. I've met the most people here. I got the most numbers in my pocket that I'm really excited to connect with moving forward from here. If someone was on the fence, I'd just say, what are you waiting for? Don't think about it, just do it.